So, based on what I understand, you're no longer an agent. What are you? Common law housewife or nurse?
Marcus, I'm sure you're not here to speak with me. And I'm also sure the young lady have told you where your brother is. So have a great day. What good?
I will.
What is one? Again, knock the damn door. Brother, the lecture at the hospital never enough. Wait, come back for tell me more?
You don't think you want to start with a hello and an invitation for me to come in?
Come in, Marcus.
Or your foot?
You know, the second I open the door, it start paying me like hell.
Well, your sense of humor is still up and running. Hold this.
What is Marcus?
Brother, open the bag and looking at the man. Me think me I'll get a bomb to blow you up.
Wait, nah, tick. Hold on, what is? Jackass can, Staggerback, Greater Cake, Police Button.
Move the police button and see what else is there.
A spice bun too. What the man,
All your favorite as my little brother. Remember when you were a boy picnic? Them the something you did love, man.
Some y'all want know girl picnic?
Lad, man, sure. Oi.
Back up. It's not that serious.
Just help me help you like you struggle.
Look at me, they alone, you know. If me need help, me call my woman.
Okay, boss. Sorry. Your agent, your woman, the one who have you in this predicament right now. Alright, boss. Let's see.
You know, that's something I realize with all of the politician. One love repeat on herself. Hey, we got through this at the hospital already, you know, you forget? You tell me how I'm careless, how I'm reckless, how I need to be more careful, how I shouldn't go by myself. Look, what is this? One does love repeating herself? For repeating herself, I love hear the sound on the voice.
So you are here a politician. They say your brother talk to you, Carlton.
It not sound nothing like that, Marcus.
You know, so this is a sign though. Look how me beg you and tell you to lay low the other day. And look what this happened. Look what happened to you. You could have get shot somewhere else than your foot, you know. You won't listen. You understand what I say?
You know, just this morning, woman come with the same argument to try to bring up this about the situation. I'm a stop her. You see, we will ask you to leave.
You don't want to talk to you about a pressing matter though. Everton Daily. You know, so it look like him have some solid information about Tony Xpressionz. Now ask me how. I look like him want to come out for the 2 hours.
Oh, Lord. There goes the sunset. Marcus, don't worry about it. It'll be fine.
What do you mean? I don't think you understand the seriousness of this, you know. I go on political rally the other day. One little thing we him have. And him bring it up. Which means him know exactly what I go on. I feel so I forget to that boy there, you know.
Which boy?
The big and tall boy, man, the one who run away. I see him in my office the other day when I went there.
So, what are you suggesting that we do, Marcus? Kill him too?
We should have get rid of him the same day.
You know, it's ironic. In this very moment, you sound like me. Marcus, trust me. Don't worry about it. Bubbles assure me that all this will be taken care of.
Miss Brissett, So that's why she was here. For full up your head of them damn foolishness and this bullshit. You know, so the agency is inactive, shut down by Daily, and them can't move right now. And you gonna tell me, say you gonna trust her? What? You back in bed with her again? Gallus Carlton, your other head start ruling again.
You know, say, if you really plan to go back in the politics, you can't go with the emotions up there. You can't make your emotions rule you. You have to be more emotionally intelligent, Marcus. Okay, Daily. Daily is no threat. And the tall boy, the worst no threat. Daily have him by the balls. And Daily and him mix up in everything together with Tony. Do some investigation. Be a politician. Dig. Find something on Daily and be strategic about it. Play chess, not checkers.
Alright, Carlton. Hope you know where I do. If I did me, I would make them owe me no favors.
I'm gonna tell you, Marcus. Stop worrying about that. You say you want to go back in your seat? Maybe what you need to do is make them help you to get there. Make them help you take down Daily.